Replacing your home flooring on a budget. One of the easiest ways to give your home a fresh new look is by replacing your old flooring. However, the cost of new flooring can be quite high, especially if you want high-quality materials. Fortunately, there are several ways to replace your home flooring on a budget. In this article, we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you save money while still achieving your desired flooring look. Research and shop around. Before purchasing any new flooring, it is important to do your research and shop around. Look at different stores, both online and in person, to compare prices and styles. You can also check for deals and discounts, especially during holiday seasons. Additionally, make sure to read reviews and ask for recommendations from friends and family to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Consider alternative materials. While hardwood or tile flooring may be your first choice, they can be quite expensive. Consider alternative materials such as vinyl, laminate, or engineered wood. These materials are more affordable, easy to install, and can still give your home a stylish look. Vinyl flooring, for example, can mimic the look of hardwood or tile at a fraction of the cost. DIY installation. One way to save money on flooring installation is to do it yourself. If you have some DIY skills, you can easily install most types of flooring. There are also many online tutorials and guides that can help you with the installation process. However, if you're not comfortable with DIY, you can still save money by hiring a handyman or contractor for the installation instead of going for a high-end professional. Refinish existing flooring. Another cost-effective option is to refinish your existing flooring. If you have hardwood floors, for example, you can sand them down and apply a new coat of stain and finish. This will not only save you money but also give your floors a fresh new look. Additionally, it's more environmentally friendly to refinish your existing flooring than to buy new ones. Focus on high-traffic areas. If you have a tight budget, you can prioritize replacing flooring in high-traffic areas such as the living room, kitchen, or hallway. This will give your home a new look without having to replace all the flooring at once. You can then replace other areas as your budget allows. In conclusion, replacing your home flooring on a budget is possible with the right research, shopping, and installation methods. By considering alternative materials, DIY installation, refinishing existing flooring, and prioritizing high-traffic areas, you can save money while still achieving your desired flooring look.